US30 and US100 both started the week with a moderately bearish note, and now what should be our stance? Whether we should buy from here, whether we should remain short till the Fed, what should be our strategy for the day? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators, and the next update on both this will be up before the US cash session. So do press the bell icon, and remember, missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's start the day. First we look into US100 followed with US30. Do watch till the end. Now look at the hourly charts. You can certainly find lower highs, and in fact you can find this time this candle has given a breakout here, and this is a breakout candle, but at the same time one must not forget the support there at 11,780 and 11,740. This is going to be stronger support zone. So yes, if you see it trading below 11,780 you can go short. At the same time, if you see it trading above 11,880 you can go long. For now it appears this is going to remain the strong support and resistance zone. Below the 11,780 you can certainly expect 11,750, 11,700 as the targets, and beyond that you may see a good fall. Directional movement is bearish on the hourly charts. Stochastic looking vertically downwards may enter into oversold zone. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for a sell entry. The RSI is trading flat near to bottom. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also similar is the observation there. Lower highs, higher lows, trying to take the support here. At the same time, one must not forget that this previous candle was a breakout candle where it has come out of this triangle. We had seen earlier higher lows, and this time again it is trying to create higher lows of its own. So be careful of 11,780, 11,880. In between these 100 points, do not take any position today. Directional movement is bearish. On the 2-hour charts, the stochastic was overbought and now looking vertically downwards. The MACD is trading in green, trading parallel. We will look for it to cross over for a sell entry. RSI is trading flat, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, lower highs and a breakout candle. This is certainly a breakout candle. I'll wait for the next candle, possibly that may try to take it till towards 11,700, which is going to be a good support, and this time in fact this may take it further down, and we can see in fact 11,600 levels also. Directional movement is bearish. It is divergent here on the 3-hour charts. The stochastic has seen a high, now it is looking vertically downwards. The MACD is trading parallel and in green. I will wait for it to converge and cross over for a sell entry. RSI is looking downwards here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts here, on the 4-hour charts, lower highs, lower lows, trying to trade within this. Do not trade between 11,780 to 11,880, very clear. Below 11,780 you can still expect 11,750 as the support and 11,700 as the support. If it breaks past 11,700 you can expect that it is trying to give you a breakout, and this time it may try to take it till towards 11,600, 11,520 levels. Directional movement is bearish on the charts here. Stochastic is overbought, looking downwards from here. See, it has seen a crossover and it is diverging, indicating more bearishness. The MACD is on the verge of a bullish crossover. I'll wait for it to give a bullish candle. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. Lower highs so far, lower lows so far, trying to trade within this. Do not trade between 11,780, 11,880 levels. A bullish confirmation above 11,880 can be taken. Then 11,920, 11,970, 12,000. 12,000 is certainly a very strong resistance. If it breaks past this, you can expect the next target to be at around 12,100, 12,200 zone. And on the downside, 11,600 is a very good support. Below that, we may see a further fall for 11,400 levels. Directional movement extremely bearish on the daily charts. Stochastic is oversold on the daily charts. The MACD is again divergent and bearish, just 4 candles apart. And RSI is trading flat. Also, let's have a look at the weekly charts out there. Now see this. I told you in my weekly analysis, on the downside the probability of it to hit 11,500 is there, and see 11,500 is now going to be a very good support. Rather, I will say till 11,400 there is a possibility for it to drop, and yes, lower highs, lower lows and higher highs both are possible. This is all credits to the Fed, it can show you wilder swings. Directional movement is bearish on the weekly chart. So I am not going to review the weekly charts here, but it appears it is good to remain short on uh, NASDAQ 100 below 11,780, where you can expect 11,750, 11,700 as the next support levels. And if it breaches 11,700, you can certainly expect that we may see 11,600, 520, 11,400 levels, if not today, possibly by tomorrow. And from there, around these levels, 400 to 500, it can try to bounce back again, or it can try to reverse again. At the same time, you can go long or buy at 11,880, then 11,920, 970, 12,050 levels, 12,100 levels will be the next resistance zone. Beyond that, 12,200 is going to be the ultimate resistance. So take your positions accordingly. Do not trade between 11,780 and 11,880, and above and below till 11,400 and 12,200. You have to trade with the trailing stop loss, so that in event of a reversal, your trade closes in profit. So always keep shifting your stop loss to cost. Always keep putting a trailing stop loss. Adopt these two strategies, two rules, and definitely you will profit. Take your positions accordingly. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch is starting on 3rd of October. Be a part of it. Definitely the strategies taught will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the Dow Jones. Also become a patron. Just you can pledge $7 a month and become a patron, and that is the support I seek from you all. Definitely it means nothing for you, but it means a lot to me. Become a patron. The patron link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts on US30. US30, see, it has given a breakout on the hourly charts, and that is why we can see a good sharp red candle. At the same time, one must not forget the support there here at 3740 is strong, 3700 is strong. If it breaks below 3700, this will call for another round of drop till towards 3600, 500 and below levels. So be cautious of 3700 on the downside today. On the upside, you can certainly find 3880, 3920 levels as the stronger resistance. So yes, only bullish entry is above 3880 levels. Rather, I will say 3900. If you see it trading above 3900, 920, you can certainly remain long for the day. You may see 31,000 levels. So today a larger no trade zone appears to be there. Directional movement is bearish. It is just crossed over. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is willing to converge and cross over for a sell entry. RSI trading flat, and it is trying to decide a direction now. Also on the 2-hour charts, we can find this is a breakout candle we have seen in the previous candle. Now also it is trying to take the support here at close to 3700 levels. Breaking below 3700, you can certainly expect 3650, 3600, 3550, 500 levels to provide a resistance there on the downside. Till 3500, it has got a good support. On the upside, be careful of 3900, above which you can certainly expect it to give a rise there. Directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is trying to trade flat, and it is still in green. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, this is the first red candle. This is given a breakout, and this is a bearish breakout here, but at the same time, one must not forget that this is the channel in which it is trying to trade. So be cautious of 3700. 3700 is certainly going to be a good support, and below 3700 you can certainly expect a good drop. Only buy entries above 3900. In between these 200 points, you have to exercise extra caution. Directional movement diverging and bearish. Stochastic is now looking forward to a reversal, trying to look forward to a drop. MACD is in green. Wait for it to converge crossover. RSI is looking downwards, indicating bearishness on the 3-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts here, on the 4-hour charts, you will find lower highs there, higher lows there. That is what makes me give you a level that do not trade between 3900 and 3700 levels. 3700 is going to be a good support. Rather, yes, if you want in fact to trade, if you are willing to take an early position, you can go short here at 3720. So rather be comfortable and short only below 3700. I think that should be a good strategy. So between 3700 and 900, do not trade. Directional movement is bearish. Stock stick is looking downwards again. It has crossed over for a sell entry. The MACD, which is just crossed over 2 candles before, and it is trying to trade in green. Now it is, I will be watchful there if it tries to cross over for a sell, because see another green candle, or if it remains in green, we may see another bullish move here. The RSI trading flat and it is near to bottom. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, lower highs, yes, if it breaks past 3900, you can certainly expect that we may see 31,000 levels, and in fact this can try to rise till towards 31,100, 31,200, and then the next resistance at 31,280 level should come into picture. Possibility of it to give you lower highs there, and possibility of it to reverse completely exists. Directional movement bearish and it is divergent. The stock stick is trading oversold. It has to come out of the oversold zone. The MACD is trading bearish and it is trading with very little divergence there. The RSI is almost trading near to bottom. Considering this, I will recommend you to not to take any position between 3700 and 3900, 200 points, because the markets are volatile. We have to preserve your capital, and considering this, only decisive directional indicator is below 3700, where you can expect it to drop more. You can remain short. See, 50, 100 points, whatever points we gain with confidence is a strong profit. And if you are taking a trade without any confidence, that's a bet. Do not gamble. It's your money. You have to trade with the levels only. So yes, you can go short below 3700. Then you can expect we may see a good support at 3650, 3600, 3550, 3500. And then below 3500, certainly you can expect a further top for 3400, 3200 and 30,000 levels and below. If not today, possibly by tomorrow. It can continue to remain bearish if it trades below 3400. On the upside, yes, above 3900, you can expect it to give a rise. Then you can expect 31,000 and 31,100, 31,180, 200, 280 levels to provide a stronger resistance. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to join the mentorship batch and become a part of my VIP signals group. Become a part of my Patreon page. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram, email, Gmail and Telegram personal IDs and channel IDs are mentioned in the video and channel description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.